Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm addressing those of you who have generators. So what you need to do is make sure your generator works. Give it a test run. Go out, check it out. Make sure the oil level's upright. Make sure it's properly fueled. If you have a multi-fuel generator, make sure it runs on all types of fuels. So you really want to give it a good going over. We just came out of winter, and if you were lucky enough not to have to use it during the winter time, well, now we're coming into summertime. And with the dingbats out there saying, "Oh, you got to have more electric cars because it's greener for the world and everything else," problem is we don't have an electric grid to support those. And so if everybody's getting more cars and stuff and trying to charge them up, and we're having a heat wave, and everybody's also trying to cool down the house, can you see the problem coming? So make sure your generator is working and ready for those emergencies that are going to come up. All right. Also, I want to tell you about the Indoor Garden Challenge. So we're doing an Indoor Garden Challenge starting on January 1st, 2025. Why am I telling you that this far in advance? Well, so you can have a chance to practice growing food indoors. And that way you can figure out what works good for you, what doesn't work. So with the Indoor Garden Challenge, it starts on January 1st, 2025 and ends on December 31st. And it's whoever can grow the most food indoors gets the grand prize winning. We're going to be giving away several Amazon gift cards for this, all right? Now, anything you can't grow indoors, well, anything you grow, you got to be able to eat. So, and it's got to be a garden, not just raising, quail or rabbits or anything like that. We're talking about growing a garden for your consumption. So figure out how you want to grow it. If it's going to be in 5-gallon buckets, get one of those black and yellow 27-gallon totes and planting a garden in that. Whatever it is you're going to do, you might want to try practicing it now. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out doing anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill like growing food indoors. And you really need to grow food with stuff's going at the grocery store with the high prices and all the chemicals are spraying on the food. You don't want to be eating that stuff. You want to grow fresh food.